Hello, everyone. Um, Thank you for joining the call and wish you all Merry Christmas. So, we have come to an almost end of this year, and it was a very fruitful year. Um, so, we today we am going to just give a short recap of whatever we have done in this year. I'm sharing the screen. Okay. So, mainly in this year, we have created the LinkedIn page for our healthcare special interest group, and the followers it has increased to 194. It's a good number, and I hope it will keep on increasing. And from May onwards, we started connecting with industry leaders, working on this uh, Hyperledger for healthcare. Hyperledger projects for healthcare. In that way, we started with Akshay. He gave blockchain-based blood bank network on 15th of May, and in June, Ramaguru Radhakrishnan from Amrita University, he talked about the Dan chain tokenization of organs, how the traceability of this organ donation that can be done through blockchain. That was a wonderful project. We appreciate that, and we wish that project has to become a real life use case very soon. And in July, Mr. Amit Chandra, he gave how data security and privacy in public healthcare is enhanced by the use of blockchain, and he is working with the government projects. So, how government is incorporating blockchain for data security. He was talking about that. And especially Indian government is working on a lot of blockchain projects. It is a very way forward. And in August, the immunochain was like given by Mr. Adarsh. So this immunochain is a product from KBA, Kerala Blockchain Academy, Trivandrum, in India. So vaccine coverage, like how it is being tracked, all those things were done. And then we had the um, Harini from Smplify Softech. They were giving about the PharmaChain. That is like how the pharmaceutical track and trace will have can happen through blockchain. They were using the Hyperledger fabric for that. So these are the major presentations that we had, and all the YouTube links are available. So and what we are going to do in the next year. So, one thing we are planning is every month, proper conduct of the meetings, along with um, how we can have a list of speakers arranged at the start of the year itself, and the meeting details agenda can be in advance. It can be circulated to all the community members. So that is one thing, and we can go ahead with blog posts and like. If anybody want to volunteer, uh, that can be accepted. And the research papers, see, for example, the colleges who are related and wish to collaborate with the Hyperledger healthcare LFDT healthcare special interest group, so they can go ahead with the academic research, and they can present about that. And I missed in October, we had Smita Adarsh from um, Microsoft. She was also talking about one of the, it was similar to the PharmaChain, but on other side, like whatever can be included throughout, like it was there. So, so these are the presentations we had, and probably the next year also we will be continuing with our good work. So keep connected. Thank you, everyone, and once again, Merry Christmas, and I wish you a very happy New Year. Let's meet in the new year. Thank you.